Meet the western black-headed snake, a creature so elusive and secretive, it makes ninjas look like attention seekers. This tiny danger noodle is actually quite harmless since it's a rear-fanged member of the family Colubridae. Its mild toxins are designed for subduing small prey, not for taking down giant mammals. With a head smaller than your pinky finger, it wouldn't even be able to latch on effectively, even if it wanted to. This snake measures between 7 to 15 inches, sporting a sleek brown or olive gray body, complemented by a distinctive black head, bordered with a white collar. A fashion statement that says, "I blend in, but keep it clean." Endemic to the southwestern United States, these secretive serpents spend much of their time under objects, especially during the day, making them a rare sight for most. Their diet consists mainly of arthropods, including centipedes, beetle larvae, spiders, insects, slugs, and even earthworms. Despite their intimidating appearance, western black-headed snakes are harmless to humans, and prefer a quiet life beneath the surface. This snake just happened to wander into my garage and gave me a good old look, so we recorded as one of the few observations in San Diego County. This was the 103rd observation recorded in the San Diego area, with a total of only 300 observations ever. After getting some good looks at this little snake, we released it back into the wild. Hopefully, the next time we cross paths, it won't be in the garage.